You got some going after the new pile and you got some going after the old pile. Cleaned out the fire pit, so we've got some ash and a whole bunch of little pieces of charcoal or biochar. I'm just going to dump it up on top of that pile. Let the chickens mix it on. Basically in this system, unless you're making other piles, your central pile is never going to heat up because they're going to tear it down every day to just being flat. So I'm going to collect all this and put it in a Johnson-Su bioreactor since it's all mixed up. There's the first load part of it. We'll move this stuff here into this one here. We'll just have to stand the pipes up as we go. They're still digging through it while I'm raking it up and trying to put it in the wheelbarrow. That's the duck's water tub, and I'll be pulling water out of it to moisten that all down once we get it in there. So this is what we got in there now. Cleaning out the bedding to start another cage. And the cage is right there. The bedding's right there, so it's not too far to move it. So I got that mostly cleaned out, put in there, and the chickens are already digging through it without any scraps being put on it. There's the bottom door part folded up. There's that door, and then that door shuts there. have a latch. Using the duct tape water to wet down the pile. Oh, it's not very far away either. There's a new pile started. There's enough for everybody, but we want to take away what somebody else has. Supper time.